Bengali month of Kartik begins, a divine glow spreads across Bangladesh. In villages and cities alike, thousands of Hindu devotees gather to celebrate Rakher Upobash, a sacred festival of fasting, prayer, and light. Legend intertwines with faith in the story of Rakher Upobash. It is believed that Baba Loknath, an 18th century Hindu saint and philosopher from Bengal, taught his followers to observe fasting during the month of Kartik and to light lamps and incense around the ashram to ward off deadly diseases. Since then, followers of Sanatan Dharma have continued this practice, marking every Saturday and Tuesday of the last 15 days of Kartik with deep devotion, prayers, and sacred rituals. Followers of Loknath Brahmachari, revered as a symbol of love and compassion, light small lamps and incense, each flame carrying a prayer for health, peace, and well-being. The fast in the name of Rak, giving it the name Rakher Upobash, also known as Kartik Broto. During the last 15 days of this sacred month, they observed and celebrated this Rakher Upobash. As dusk descends and atmosphere turns magical, devotees gather before the Sri Sri Loknath Brahmachari Ashram, Barodi, Narayanganj, Dhaka. They sing devotional songs, offer prayers, and take part in ancient rituals to honor their beloved deity. The air fills with peace, hope, and spiritual connection. Fasting from sunrise to sunset, devotees abstain from both food and water, a test of faith, endurance, and purification of the soul. But Rakher Upobash is not just about fasting or ritual. It's about reflection, compassion, and shared humanity. It mirrors the rich cultural heritage of Bangladesh, where people of different faiths and backgrounds join hands to celebrate harmony and peace. This simple act of lighting a lamp becomes something profound, a shared prayer that transcends religion and time. Rakher Upobash is more than just a tradition. It's a heartbeat of devotion and unity that lights up the soul of Bangladesh. A tradition born from faith, carried by love, and glowing with every generation.